Introducing your dog to water can be a delightful experience for both of you. However, some dogs may initially feel hesitant or fearful about water. With proper training and positive reinforcement, you can help your furry friend overcome their apprehensions and develop a fondness for water-related activities. This guide will provide you with valuable tips on gradually introducing your dog to water and ensuring they enjoy aquatic adventures to the fullest. Start slowly and gradually. Begin the water exposure training in a calm and controlled environment. Start with shallow water, such as a small pool or a calm beach, where your dog can comfortably stand and touch the ground. Gradually increase the depth as their confidence grows. Positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and gentle encouragement to create positive associations with water. Reward your dog for any brave or curious behavior near the water, reinforcing their confidence and creating a positive experience.